Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have 4 hot dogs. I think sliced cheese works best when making these crispy dogs. So back there I just have 2 slices of American cheese. Here I have some white corn tortillas. It's actually a personal preference, so you can use either yellow or white corn. And here we have some toothpicks, and then of course some vegetable oil. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to heat up some vegetable oil. So let's turn on our pan. Okay, so here off to the side, we're going to start wrapping our crispy dogs. Now, some tortillas are really soft and flimsy, so you'll be able to wrap them easily. If they're not, and they're just, you know, they don't have to be exactly fresh corn tortillas. They can be a package like I'm using. If you see that they're kind of tearing, you can go ahead and wrap them in a paper towel just like this and stick them into your microwave for 30 seconds. Now if you don't have access to a microwave, you can go ahead and heat up some oil, and then you just kind of coat them in the oil just to get them nice and warm. So here are my tortillas. They're actually pretty hot. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's open up our cheese. So really quick, I just want to share a story with you about these. So I was introduced to these in my childhood. There was a drive-in theater in my hometown that we used to always go to. All 9 of us, my mom used to put all of us into the truck, the pickup truck, and then of course my parents, so it was 9 of us. And she would take a big box of chicken with her, and it's supposed to feed all of us. But they also had a snack bar, and they sold these there. And they were 2 for 50 cents. And they were amazing, and they were awesome. Like, I had to have them every time. And this was an old movie theater that was there, and they would show the old Mexican movies. So that was like my mom's downtime. That's what she wanted to do. All right, so you just want to go ahead and just roll it up just like this. Now the point of the toothpick is you're just gonna put it in like this. You can just push them in all the way like that, nothing fancy, you see. And the whole point is so that it keeps its form and it keeps it nice and tight. Because if you don't do it like this, you're gonna find that it kind of starts to open when you fry it. All right, so here we are. We have them all nicely done. So let's go ahead and put them into our oil. It's not a lot of oil where you want to actually submerge the whole thing in there. You just kind of want them to sit on top. Just like this. Okay. So obviously the bigger the pan, the more you can make. But this is a great after school snack. My son is actually looking forward to these when he comes home. So I'm going to go ahead and fry them up, and then I'm going to show you how they look. Alright guys, so here it is. Here are the crispy dogs. Basically they're ready once they're nice and crispy. But you can have this with mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, dipping sauce of your choice. And thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.